at my favorite place, Tandy Leather, because okay, it's here. Fuck, this is heavy. This is very heavy. Holy shit, this is heavy. Fuck. Vamos a hacer un unboxing aquí. Oh, I didn't know this. I thought I have to buy this. Oh, this is too heavy. Holy shit. Whoa. Look at that. This is so pretty. Holy shit. Still super heavy. This is super. Should I open it here? Oh, I don't know. Which color is it? This is so pretty. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Finally have a walk-in food machine, because the one I have is industrial. It's a post bed, but it's not a walk-in food. Oh, yes. And I can take this anywhere. That's why I bought it. Okay, I'm gonna break it in and then I'll start sewing pretty soon. See you later.